about to show you is the first time I've used a diode in the control box, so that's kind of neat. But I have a convoluted way of doing it. So this is the box that holds the circuits, so that if it rains or something, it's all waterproof. It connects to this wire, which is mounted here and here, and you know, it can plug in and unplug to the control box. So it's very easy to remove any component. But my idea was to just create a simple plug, DC plug for the heat and the fan, that would then on this plug into the back of the scope to activate the fans and the heaters. And
the heaters keep it from fogging up?
Yeah, so like here, this is the unit, right? You got the heater here, which is a handlebar heater for a motorcycle, right? So it just warms up the air a little bit, hopefully getting it above the dew point, so that any dew coming down gets absorbed into the air, and then the fan blows air around the mirror and out the front of the mirror. So I wanted to keep so that goes in there. In fact, this is really cool. The way I designed the back of this thing, I wanted to make it accessible and you able to work on it without having to take everything apart. I had redesigned this edge to bring it up the middle and make this a two-piece section, so that it would have more clearance here, and I could bring it lower. But by making it two pieces, I can make the bottom piece removable, and then you have access to the wiring. So if you need to replace any component, you can. And there's little channels that run across. And this is symmetrical, so this is the same down here as it is up here. So at the top, you can see you turn this knob, and you'll notice on the inside, this one's going to be tight. On the inside, this is the primary mirror. If I turn this, the primary mirror turns, right? And that's actually a control that you have at the front as well. See here and here, you can, from the front, rotate each primary mirror.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet. So,
can you rotate it? I want to see.
Yeah. And that allows you to kind of just merge the images if they're not merged, or make them easier on the eyes. There's a nice little feature there you can do from the front, but it's also cool that you can control the dew hitting the mirror. So it's neat. This piece is identical to this piece. They're not mirror images. They are mirror images, but this piece could, you could duplicate it and just put it over here.
So they're interchangeable. It doesn't matter which. Okay.
So it's one part. If I had to manufacture a bunch of these, I could order 500 of this, and it's both. It's the same thing.
Cool.
So it's down here, it's a junction box. Up here, it's the cavity that the knob goes into, and it engages the mirror. Pretty neat little design feature. But what's really fun. So now I'll show you this. We can put the junction box cover back on, and then we can take our DC cables and plug it in. And then normally you would run it to the one beneath it. That's fan. And then this is going to be heater. We'll plug into I got to lower this. Okay. So this can plug in. Oh, so close.
Needs to be a little longer.
This isn't good TV, babe. Okay.
Are you gonna need a longer wire?
No, because this is only because I've set up this side and the mirror, the thing happens to be here.
Oh, I see.
Normally, it just plug in.
I see.
To the thing above.
So you have to set up this one.
Yeah, I have to set up this one. I could have just moved the telescope to that side for the demonstration, but I didn't. Okay, so then up front here I have a switch. It's a single switch where you can activate the fan. Oh, actually on this side it's going to be fan. We should hear the fan coming on. I don't hear it. I think. Oh, fail.